Welcome back, everybody. Today we are playing Bee Swarm Simulator. I stopped playing this game a long time ago because it was boring, and yeah. So today we're going to. I played this yet a lot yesterday. So today we're gonna play some of it. So they added stick. Oh my god, what is this noise? Please stop. Alright guys, but anyway, so I still don't have the really cool one up here, and they added stickers to the game. They added stickers to the game. You see this, right? And now every quest ever has stickers. Obtain 3 simple mountain stickers. Simple. Obtain 1 bubble wand sticker. Where do I find stickers? Whew. Add a sticker to your hive 1 time. I added 1 sticker. I don't have any more stickers to add. Sticker. Ooh, there's an imp. You can get skins for your hive? So you get the stickers from the sticker printer, everybody. It's up there somewhere. What is that? 1 mythic egg. 25. 25. 20. Okay. Yeah! I'm gonna get it, everybody. I need it. I need it. I need it. Wait. 100 tickets, 250 tickets. Womp womp. Ooh, sticker. And see, look. It said add 1 sticker to your hive, right, everybody? So, I added 1 sticker. It's still... Oh, yeah. And now, look at this. Look at all my cool resources. Sticker planter, festive planter, basic egg, and mythic egg. Let's do it on this one. Wait, we could get a new hive slot and do it on that. Watch this. Excuse me, if you heard that. Look at that, everybody. I can't believe I just spent all that money. But anyway, there it is. We gotta put 1 thing on it. Wow, this is gonna be a basic bee. I hate this game. I hate this game. Okay, you know what? Just leave it like that. It's time to use my mythic egg. Yeah, I got a fuzzy bee. Aww, hi there. Ugh, I hate fuzzy bees. And look, since I got enough tickets now, I can get one. Ouch! This hurts. I don't have 200. I have 359. Maybe it cost a lot. Do you not see this? Oh, because I purchased both of them. Fiddle. Guys, I'm about to cry. You know I'm about to cry. Well, looks like we gotta go purchase more tickets. You may be asking, how are you gonna do that? I know you didn't ask that, but yeah, how am I gonna do that? Well, we're gonna try to boost us up with some more honey, because you see I just spent everything I've ever had. Oh, I didn't feed my bee. I didn't feed my bee. It's gonna be stupid and suck. So I gotta feed my bee. Can you eat one of those? No. Fiddle! Anyway. Hey, you can eat this, right? Yeah! My luck's crazy. My luck's crazy. I'm God! I am God! There's no way! Y'all never passing that. No way. I'm not God anymore. But I can't see! I'm not God anymore. Yeah, but that's crazy, dude. That's crazy. Now we're just gonna level it up. Now it's level 7. Okay. That is crazy, dude. Oh my god. I am God. I'm literally God. We're gonna go get this one too. This is just basically spending money simulator. Yo! And we get to get one of these people. No, we don't. We don't. How do I still need 50 more tickets? Anyway, so we're gonna have to go boost us up. Yeah, you guys, I just spent all my Robux, almost. Hi, Wind Shrine. So, I'm kind of in some trouble right now. And I'm gonna need you to give me... Here, I can do one I need. Like, blue flowers. Clover! Like, no. Which ones I really need? White pollen. White pollen's good. Here, have one. Okay. Ooh, okay. Now, we're gonna come over here. Okay. What am I gonna call this video? Spending Robux on Bee Simulator. I don't have any money to give it. Here. Okay. And now we start the process of getting more honey. Look at our fuzzy bee. Oh yeah. What is happening? I'm the only one on this field. I got this cool yellow haze now. There's nobody else on this field. Maybe that's the fuzzy bees doing. I always thought that was the really cool yellow bee in there. Oh, nope, because there is another person. Oh. I'm gonna kill myself. Anyway, look at our money. It's going up, up, and away. We're getting lots of money. I spent lots of money. We're getting lots of money. I spent lots of money. I wish I had an editing software that I can do so I could speed this process up. Yeah, I really don't know. I'm gonna have to reinstall CapCut. Cause nobody wants to look at me grind for an hour. I'm not gonna do this video for an hour because that'll suck. Oh. This sucks. Why can't I just, like, not live? Alright, everybody, so this is, I'm not obviously gonna do this all day because that'll take me all day. And Bee Swarm Simulator has you play for hours and hours and hours on end so they can collect their little money and stuff. Yeah. You see, this is where you buy tickets. I want you to see something really quick. 10 tickets is all this money. 100 tickets. It's all this money. Look at the shop. We don't have all that money no more. One ticket, one singular ticket costs $10. One ticket. One ticket costs 10 Robux. Would you want to spend 10 Robux for one ticket? No, but we can also go find the gift boxes. See, look, because it says 2 out of 10. So we need to find the second and the first one. So we're obviously gonna go over here. This is 6, right? So I've been playing this game all day now, and I still haven't found neither one of them. See, look. What is this? What is this? Oh my god. So, oh, I forgot to defeat you. Come and get him, Fuzzy Bee. You can do this. Oh, yeah. Well, now that we have our Fuzzy Bee, I don't really know what the Fuzzy Bee do. Fuzzy, fuzzy, fuzzy. This is all of the shy bees. I mean, not the shy. I mean, legendary bees. I hate them. Mythic bees, I have the buoyant bee, I have the fuzzy bee, I have the precise bee. I don't have, I did have the tadpole bee at once. I accidentally royal jellied it. I want the tadpole back. But anyway, now we got the gold egg and the oh! We can go try this one. Alright, come on, let's. Alright. Oh my god, I got stuck. I'm about to break my keyboard if I can't get out of here. I will actually tear apart my keyboard and put every keycap back together if I can't. Oh, I found a sticker! Bro, I'm about to cry. I'm actually about to cry. I can't get out. I hate this game, dude. You just get stuck in. Wait a second. Yo, it's dark. Yo, it's dark. Yo! I got out! Let's go! Let's go, I got out. Now, we can add the duck sticker, and we can add the gifted. So, we come over to our hive, right? And we put our sticker down. Right here. Here, let's let the Fuzzy Bee enjoy this one. And it can have a new neighbor. You. Well, it's not really going to be its neighbor, but I don't care. Hurry up and transform it into something. I'm about to cry. So why didn't you just die already? Anyway, yeah. So I got another duck sticker. Oh, we can also go see the sticker printer. See, it's right here. Hi. Choose an egg. But what if one of these turn? We could get a hive color if we're really lucky. Here, let's do basic first. I put one in there. What are we gonna get? What do we get? Oh! Okay. Wait, do they cost... Hold up. Because we're about to go back. Because do the basic eggs cost honey or stickers? I meant tickets. Yo. I'm being broke today. I got a boost. Yeah, I'm broke. I'm broke now. I don't got no money left. 26 is crazy. Oh my god! It's the Mondo chick. I don't have time to fight it though, cause the video is awful long. This is gonna if I continue this is gonna be longer than the. No, I hate this game. I hate this game. I hate this game. Oh my god. Oh, what is up there? Oh, that's 8. Bro, I can't do nothing in this video no more. And look how long it is. 17 minutes. Nobody's gonna want to watch this. Well, you guys, I think this is the end of our little video here. I spent far too much money on this game. Now I am broke. My address is 123 Freddy Fazbear Street. If you want to give me some money, I'll see you later.